Gear up, riders! The future of motorcycling is here, and it's smarter, faster, and more thrilling than ever. From game-changing safety tech to mind-blowing gadgets that make every ride effortless, these innovations are not just cool, they're essential for every true biker who craves control, speed, and freedom. Buckle up, because your ride is about to get seriously upgraded.
Number 1. Introducing the Vantrue F1 4K Motorcycle Dashcam. For motorcyclists, the road is freedom, but it's also unpredictable. The Vantrue F1 4K is designed for riders who want to capture every moment while staying protected on every ride. Whether you're commuting through busy streets or chasing open highways, this dashcam quietly works in the background, recording what truly matters. Built specifically for motorcycles, the Vantrue F1 delivers crystal-clear 4K footage that preserves every detail: license plates, road signs, and unexpected moments, day or night. Thanks to its advanced imaging sensor and wide-angle lens, you get sharp, immersive visuals even in low light conditions. One of its standout features is the dual camera setup. The front and rear cameras record simultaneously, giving you full coverage of what's happening ahead and behind. This means better awareness, stronger evidence, and complete confidence when riding in traffic. Durability is where the Vantrue F1 truly shines. Its rugged, weather-resistant design is made to withstand rain, dust, heat, and constant vibration. No matter the conditions, it keeps recording without interruption. Number 2. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Transform your camera experience. Built for creators who never slow down, the Hero 13 Black takes everything you love about action cameras and pushes it further. Whether you're riding, traveling, or capturing everyday moments, this camera is designed to keep up with your world. At its core, Hero 13 Black delivers stunning, ultra-high-resolution video with incredible color depth and detail. Every frame feels alive, from fast-moving action to cinematic slow-motion shots. Advanced stabilization keeps footage smooth and steady, even when the action gets wild. Low light performance has been refined, allowing you to capture clearer night scenes and dramatic lighting without losing sharpness. Add smart auto-adjusting modes, and the camera instantly adapts to changing environments, so you can focus on the moment, not the settings. The rugged, waterproof design means no case, no worries. Rain, dust, snow, or underwater shots, the Hero 13 Black is built to handle it all. A brighter touch display and improved battery efficiency make long shoots easier and more intuitive than ever. With the GoPro Hero 13 Black, you're not just recording moments, you're transforming the way stories are told. Number 3. The Beeline Moto II, simple motorcycle navigation done right. For riders who believe the journey matters as much as the destination, Beeline Moto II offers a smarter, calmer way to navigate. Instead of distracting maps and cluttered screens, this device strips navigation down to what you actually need: clear direction and total focus on the road. The circular display gives you easy-to-read arrows, distance cues, and turn alerts at a glance. No scrolling, no confusion, just clean guidance that keeps your eyes forward and your ride smooth. Whether you're carving through city streets or exploring open roads, navigation feels natural and stress-free. Beeline Moto II connects seamlessly to your smartphone, pulling live routes, traffic updates, and ride data through its companion app. You can choose between classic turn-by-turn guidance or adventure-style compass navigation, perfect for riders who prefer discovery over strict routes. Built to handle real riding conditions, its weatherproof and vibration-resistant design stands up to rain, dust, and long-distance trips. The battery lasts for days, not hours, making it ideal for extended rides. With Beeline Moto II, navigation becomes part of the ride, not a distraction. It's a smarter way to explore, ride freely, and truly enjoy the road ahead. Number 4. Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma, one of the most advanced motorcycle airbag systems ever created. Motorcycle safety has entered a new era, and Tech Air 5 Plasma proves that protection doesn't have to be bulky or restrictive. Designed for everyday riders and high-performance enthusiasts alike, this intelligent airbag system works silently in the background, ready to react in milliseconds. At the heart of the Plasma version is a lightweight, breathable construction. The ultra-flexible material improves airflow and comfort, making it ideal for long rides and warm conditions without sacrificing protection. It fits naturally under most riding jackets, so safety never feels intrusive. The system is fully self-contained, meaning no external sensors on the bike are required. Just zip it up, turn it on, and ride. A long-lasting battery supports extended use, while simple LED indicators keep you informed at a glance. With the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma, safety becomes smarter, faster, and more intuitive. It's not just gear, it's a silent guardian that rides with you, ready when it matters most. Number 5. Introducing INNOVV N2, the smart motorcycle riding system built for real riders. When you're on the road, every second matters. INNOVV N2 is designed to give motorcyclists a smarter, safer, and more connected riding experience by combining advanced camera technology, intelligent sensors, and rider-focused design into one powerful system. Compact, rugged, and road-ready, it works silently in the background, so you can focus on the ride. At the heart of INNOVV N2 is its dual camera setup, capturing crystal-clear front and rear footage in real time. Whether it's daily commuting or long-distance touring, the system continuously records your journey, providing reliable evidence and peace of mind in case of unexpected incidents. With wide-angle lenses and high dynamic range, it performs confidently in bright daylight, low light, and challenging weather conditions. But INNOVV N2 goes beyond recording. Built-in smart features like GPS tracking, speed data, and intelligent event detection turn raw footage into meaningful ride insights. Through a dedicated app, riders can review routes, analyze riding data, and manage recordings effortlessly. Everything is designed to be intuitive, quick, and rider-friendly, even with gloves on. What truly sets INNOVV N2 apart is its motorcycle-first engineering. It's weather-resistant, vibration-proof, and built to handle real-world riding conditions. From urban streets to open highways, INNOVV N2 becomes your silent riding companion, watching your back, documenting your journey, and making every ride smarter, safer, and more confident. Number 6. Introducing LEXIN P5, the smart electric air pump built for life on the move. Whether you're riding, driving, or heading out on an adventure, flat tires should never slow you down. LEXIN P5 is a compact yet powerful electric air pump designed to deliver fast, accurate inflation anytime, anywhere. Small enough to carry with ease, yet strong enough to handle real-world demands, it's the perfect companion for motorcycles, cars, bicycles, and more. At the core of LEXIN P5 is a high-performance motor that delivers quick and consistent airflow with precision pressure control. The smart digital display lets you set your desired PSI, and the pump automatically stops once the target pressure is reached. No guesswork, no overinflation. From emergency roadside fixes to routine tire maintenance, everything becomes simple and stress-free. LEXIN P5 is built with convenience in mind. Its rechargeable battery offers reliable cordless operation, while multiple nozzle attachments ensure compatibility with different tire types and inflatables. Durable construction and intuitive one-button operation make it easy to use even in low-light situations or on the road. LEXIN P5 isn't just an air pump, it's peace of mind in your pocket. Smart, portable, and powerful, it ensures you're always ready to ride, drive, or explore with confidence. Number 7. Meet the Cardo Packtalk Edge, the next level of motorcycle Bluetooth communication. Built for riders who demand clarity, reliability, and control on every ride, the Cardo Packtalk Edge redefines what a Bluetooth headset can do. With a sleek, low-profile design and rugged construction, it's engineered to perform flawlessly at high speeds, in all weather, and across long distances, so you stay connected without distractions. At its core is Cardo's advanced dynamic mesh communication technology, delivering rock-solid group connectivity with instant auto reconnection. Whether you're riding solo or with a large group, conversations stay clear, stable, and seamless. Premium JBL speakers provide rich, powerful sound, cutting through wind and road noise to deliver crystal-clear music, calls, and voice instructions. The Packtalk Edge also puts control at your fingertips, or your voice. Natural voice commands let you adjust settings, answer calls, or play music without taking your hands off the handlebars. With fast magnetic mounting, long battery life, and over-the-air software updates, it's designed for maximum convenience and future-ready performance. Cardo Packtalk Edge isn't just a headset, it's a smarter way to ride. Clearer communication, better sound, and total freedom, all packed into one powerful riding companion. Number 8. The Garmin inReach Mini 3 Plus stay connected anywhere on Earth. When your adventures take you beyond cell coverage, Garmin inReach Mini 3 Plus keeps you connected and protected. Compact, lightweight, and built for extreme conditions, this satellite communicator is designed for explorers, riders, hikers, and travelers who refuse to lose contact when it matters most. Powered by global satellite connectivity, inReach Mini 3 Plus lets you send and receive messages, share your location, and stay in touch with loved ones even in the most remote places. In an emergency, the built-in SOS feature instantly connects you to professional rescue coordination centers, giving you peace of mind wherever your journey leads. Despite its small size, this device is packed with smart navigation and tracking features. GPS positioning, route sharing, and long battery life make it a reliable companion for multi-day trips. Paired with the Garmin app, you can plan routes, manage messages, and track adventures with ease. Garmin inReach Mini 3 Plus isn't just a gadget, it's a lifeline. Rugged, reliable, and always connected, it ensures that no matter how far you go, help and communication are always within reach. Number 9. Alpinestars Tech 10 Enduro Boot, a transformative evolution in riding gear. For riders who demand ultimate protection, performance, and comfort, the Alpinestars Tech 10 Enduro Boot sets a new standard designed for off-road adventures and extreme conditions. This boot combines innovative materials, advanced ergonomics, and reinforced protection to keep you safe while giving you unmatched control over your bike. Every detail of the Tech 10 is engineered with precision. From its shock-absorbing sole to the adjustable closure system, it delivers a perfect balance of rigidity and flexibility, protecting ankles, shins, and feet while maintaining natural movement. The high-performance design also resists abrasion, impacts, and extreme elements, ensuring durability that lasts ride after ride. Comfort meets innovation with internal padding, breathable lining, and a lightweight construction that lets you tackle long rides without fatigue. Whether navigating rocky trails, mud, or steep inclines, the Tech 10 Enduro Boot empowers you to ride with confidence, style, and safety. Alpinestars Tech 10 isn't just a boot, it's a riding revolution, redefining what's possible for every enduro rider on the trail. Number 10. Introducing Shoei NXR2, the smart motorcycle helmet engineered for ultimate safety and performance. Shoei NXR2 combines cutting-edge technology with premium design to deliver a helmet that doesn't just protect, it elevates your riding experience. Aerodynamically sculpted and lightweight, it reduces wind drag and fatigue while keeping you exceptionally comfortable on long rides. Every curve and vent is crafted to optimize airflow, stability, and noise reduction, letting you focus entirely on the road ahead. Built with advanced impact-absorbing materials and precision engineering, the NXR2 offers superior protection without compromising on comfort. Its smart integration features allow seamless pairing with communication systems, navigation devices, and audio tools, keeping you connected and informed while keeping your hands safely on the handlebars. The interior lining is fully removable, washable, and designed for maximum breathability, while the sleek visor ensures clear, unobstructed vision in all conditions. Shoei NXR2 isn't just a helmet, it's a complete riding companion, blending innovation, safety, and comfort for riders who demand nothing but the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to TechFutrix for more amazing technologies.